Sad day. So by now some of you guys have heard that Mike Brooks passed away, and I want to make this very clear, please, for everybody out there in the drone world, um, that I spoke with his wife, and she does not, he and she both does not want the social media blast. She doesn't want things to play out like they did with Rick and everybody make a bunch of videos, and she's not looking for any of that. She just wants to let him rest as is. Mike made decisions for himself. I'm just going to make this clear, guys. Mike did not ever want to be in any kind of limelight. He supported who he supported. He was a very solid guy. He had a lot of health conditions, and he was a very private individual. He would like to keep it that way. So please, please, I'm making this very short and concise for everyone. Please do not blast him all over social media and, tons of rest in peace videos and all of these things, right? I'm making one and putting the information out there for you guys. Mike was a really good dude. If you didn't know him, his YouTube channel was Drone Ranger, right? Mike has supported me for almost 10 years on this YouTube platform. He was with me a very long time. We spent, just like me and Rick Halliburton, we spent a lot of nights in the hospital up just talking each other through things. But he was a much more private individual, and he would like to keep it that way. So please, guys, if you hear about what's going on with Mike Brooks, I spoke with his wife, and she does not want all that attention. She just wants to let Mike rest and leave it where it's at, and she's going to get over things in her own way, and she's asking that the community be respectful of that. However, I'm also talking to his wife about all these drones that he had. I don't know if you guys know, Mike had a lot of drones. And so I'm going to try to work with her on helping sell all of Mike's old equipment, because she doesn't know what to do with any of it. So I'm going to be talking with her, and as I find out more information, I will let you guys know. If you would like to buy any of those drones that he had a lot of stuff. So I will get back to you, but please, guys, please don't make a ton of social media blast videos and posts. That's not what Mike wanted. It never was. He was a very private individual, and he wants to keep things that way. If you knew him, you knew him. And now you know he's not with us anymore. It was by personal choice. Mike chose this route. He was happy with his decision, and he didn't tell us all the things that he was going through for a reason. I understand that. He was a very stubborn guy, but he loved all of you guys to death. So, just please respect those wishes from his wife and him, and try not to make a bunch of videos. If you guys want to talk about, Mike, all great, but like I said, please keep from just blasting the platform with rest in peace Mike Brooks videos if you can. Okay? Thanks, guys.